Tornadoes. It's a tornado. What is that in the sky? It's a tornado. How does a tornado happen? What can you do? How do tornadoes happen? Warm, wet air meets cooler air. Then there is a thunderstorm. There may be a lot of rain and hail. Sometimes a funnel drops from the storm clouds. The funnel may touch the ground. Then it is a tornado. A tornado can move many miles per hour. It will damage everything in its path. What can you do? Help your family make a plan. Listen to updates about the weather. A watch means there may be a tornado. A tornado warning means you should find a shelter. Go to an inside hallway or bathroom. Cover your head. Soon the tornado will be over. You can come out. Be careful where you walk.